I have some leftover rice at home, but I want to enjoy that biryani flavor. So with ordinary rice, you can make this and quick fix. I also have chicken breast. Basically, I have brined the chicken breast. So if you want to make it instant, always when you buy the chicken, just brine it. And later what I do is I put it in the packets and put in the freezer. So whenever I want really nice tender chicken, I have it ready. Just cut the chicken into small pieces. Just the same way we cut for chicken 65, I just like to cut it like that. If you're single, many times you will be in the dilemma of what to cook, but leftover rice you can always convert if you have the chicken brined and ready. If you don't have brined chicken, you can always cut these chicken pieces. In this, add a little bit of chili powder, pinch of salt, little bit of ginger garlic paste. I like to do these brown onions. Nowadays, fried onion is available in the market, so you can buy that and use also. And pinch of garam masala and add a little bit of yogurt. Keep it ready, and then whenever we want this instant, quick and bachelor kind of biryani, we can go ahead and do it right away. Pour in some oil. I may be adding few additional spices here, but if you're a bachelor, you can just use biryani masala. But the real flavor will come with mint and all of that. So the leftover ginger garlic paste here. The oil is not hot yet, but still you can add that. Add mint leaf. You can add green chili and the chicken pieces what I have marinated. In this, add a little extra chili powder, and in your case you can add just biryani masala, a little bit of garam masala, some coriander powder and some cumin powder. That's it. All masalas are ready, but you want the chicken pieces to be cooked because the rice is already cooked. We're going to let this chicken cook by adding some brown onion, preferably on a medium flame, and if you have a non-stick pan, it's even more better. Just let it simmer, let the chicken cook a little more. Now look at this, the chicken is nicely cooked, but I'm going to add some more yogurt, and now the rice. So the plain rice, the leftover rice, what I'm going to do, just push the chicken on the sides like that. I've added extra salt in the chicken, just add a little more of salt for the rice. Squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of saffron water just to get that kind of effect, and chicken fried oil a little bit, some leftover brown onion, coriander leaf, that's it. So just I'm going to put it on a slow flame and let the chicken cook a little more, like 4-5 minutes, that's it. Later we're going to slowly mix it and serve. This is instant but very, very tasty. Wow. After a few minutes, just some of the pieces of the chicken just on the top, just mix it. Okay. Nice. Put the lid on, and for another 1 minute, switch it off, and you have a very flavorful instant bachelor biryani with ordinary rice. Switch off the flame. My bowl. Perfect. And biryani. So our simple instant ordinary rice chicken biryani is ready. Yes, that much for me. So what else do we need? Look at it. Instant and very tasty. What else do we need? For me, if I have some raita, that's like a blessing. Dear friends, it is not necessary that you always have to make a perfect traditional biryani. You can always have shortcuts and still enjoy as much as you enjoy your biryani. The chicken is also nice, soft, and just melting in the mouth. Keep cooking, enjoy amazing food, and keep saying Vareva.